Hi, I'm Arasan. Today I'm going to deliver a speech about business Canva model. The company name is Caterpillar. Caterpillar is started by CAT. It is an American-based company. The headquarters was located in California, US. It was founded by CL West in the year of 1925. Number of employees was in Caterpillar is 98,000. In 2019, Caterpillar is ranked number 65 in private companies rank. Key partners for Caterpillar companies. The manufacturing parts and components, and investors, and technology developer. To develop the technology, they need a technology developer as a key partner, and member of World Business Council for Sustainable. And dealers network. To develop a product worldwide, they need a dealer. So, key partners are dealer network and EPC companies, which is an engineering cooperative companies. Key activities of Caterpillar is engineering and designing. Before manufacturing company, they first do a design and manufacturing, research and development. After manufacturing, the parts want to research and to develop the product, they need a research and development team and sales. Service and support team for the customers. After all the key resources, they want to dispatch parts and components, so they need distributions. And key resources is a brand and production technologies and big data. To collect the data, they need a big data as a key resource. And drones. Recently, the Caterpillar was interested in drones. So they developed they developing a products in drones also, and 110 facilities in all over world. And value proportions, highly reliable equipment and components, which is an innovation applied to the heavy work. Caterpillar is a leading manufacturing company in the construction and mining equipments, and diesel and natural gas engines also. In recently, industrial gas turbines also were developed by Caterpillar company. And customer relationship. Customer relationship is the main thing for all the companies. In this Caterpillar company, the long-term contract is a major roles in the customer relationship and brand awareness. And customer service also one of the things for a customer relationship. And their name is a trust. It is also one of the biggest relationship in customer base and online sales. And channels for Caterpillar is worldwide dealer network. And the company is it is in a worldwide, so they need a worldwide dealers in network and service centers for a customer base. And to develop a product, they need a social media like a website and social media sites, other sites also. And they founded a Caterpillar Foundation in the year of 2002. And customer segment, which is an EPC companies and equipment manufacturing and defense. The Caterpillar companies is majorly concentrated in design, which is a different agriculture sites, building and plantations, and construction companies like a civil engineers and municipalities also. And cost structure. Cost structure is majorly concentrated in a facilities and parts component and softwares. To design a new product, they need new softwares like AutoCAD. So they purchase the cost structure is in softwares and raw materials, and they need to pay a cost structures like taxes also and productions and employees cost also, and new technologies development and R&D supplies. And revenue schemes. It is a sales of product, and they need to purchase spare parts and technical service, rental and the components and the parts. Caterpillar sells the right to manufacture, and museum tickets sellings of a brand ambassadors. And the net income for Caterpillar company is 2.99 billion US dollars. Caterpillar it is one of the leading companies in all over the world.